Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on TradingView using Webull. So first of all, before proceeding into this video, there is a quick disclaimer that this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. So first of all, come here on tradingview.com and then log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to launch any of the charts in front of you. Now over here, click on the option of trade on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to simply look for Webull here in the search bar. When you are able to find it, simply select it, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you in a new tab on the login page of Webull, where you need to provide your login ID and the password and simply log in into your account. Now then you need to authorize TradingView for the connection, and this way Webull is going to be connected with TradingView. So when it is connected successfully, you will see the buy and the sell buttons activated here on the top left hand corner of the screen. So this way you will be able to basically see that the Webull is now connected successfully. Now from the watch list of yours, you can just simply select any of the stocks, or you can just simply use the search bar and then you can simply search for the stock that you want to use. Now when you are here on the stocks page itself, you can just simply choose the buy and the sell button. So let's say from here I want to do the sell, so I'm just going to simply click on the option of sell. So on the market order it is going to basically place it, but if you want on the limit order, then you need to click on the option of trade, and after that in the order section you need to provide the information whether you want to make a market trade or the limit order. So then you need to simply enter your quantity. Then you can also add the take profit and the stop loss. Then click on the option of buy if you want to buy. You can also select the option of sell if you want to sell. So this way basically you will be able to use Webull on TradingView and you will be able to place the trades. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.